Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect LinkedIn and Cloud AI using Zapier. So this is helpful because it lets Cloud work with LinkedIn through a connector so that you can bring the two tools together in one setup without doing anything too complicated. So to get started, open the Cloud app on your Windows computer. And once Cloud is open, go to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. And from the menu that it appears, choose Settings, and inside settings, look at the menu on the left side and select connectors. So this is where you can manage the tools and integrations that can be added to Claude. Next, click browse connectors, use the search box and type Zapier. And when Zapier appears in the results, click the plus button beside it. And after that, continue with Google and choose the Google account that you want to use. Then click allow so Zapier can get the permissions it needs. And once the connection is confirmed, close the pop-up message. Now, open a new browser tab and go to the official Zapier website. And if you are already signed in, click continue. And from the Zapier dashboard, the left side menu and open MCP server, click add tool so that you can connect a new service. And in the search bar, type LinkedIn, then select LinkedIn from the results. And after selecting LinkedIn, open the select tools menu near the top left and choose select all tools so that all available LinkedIn actions are enabled. And click connect again beside LinkedIn to confirm that you want to link it. And when the next page opens, choose yes and continue to LinkedIn. Once everything is approved, click add tools to finish the setup. That is it. LinkedIn is now connected to Cloud AI through Zapier and the integration is ready to use. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.